Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, in today's class we want to verify if an email is valid or not valid, and we are still going to make use of regular expression. Our last class, I think we checked if a word is included in a text, but today we want to verify if an email is valid or not valid. So we'll be using a function to achieve that. We use a function and a regular expression. So that this is the function. Then cost regular, that is rex, equals to I would like to explain that this regular expression actually sometimes is actually trickish and confusing, but on your screen I think you can see the proper explanation of it. First of all, the word arrowhead there means it should start with a text. Then the first grouping there actually means no spacing. It's only going to match a alphabet or text, no spacing. Plus the second block in there, which is this one, this at symbol actually means the next thing you are supposed to write has to include this at symbol. Then no spacing. This slash dot actually means escaping dot. Why the next grouping actually also means no spacing. It's only going to match what? It's only going to match alphabet. Then the dollar symbol actually means the end of it. So all of us, we have email. Okay, look at the example now. These are the example I've given. Console.log, and I'm just using it's not starting with a number, it's starting with normal text, which is what the rule states. It has to start with normal text. Then the second thing that comes is the at symbol. Then after the at symbol, we have another text. Then after another text, we have dot. Then after the dot, we now have another text. Then that is when your email has to stop. Then look at this invalid email. As you can see, it's not following the rule of this regular expression. That's why we'll check if it's valid or not valid. We check the one that is valid and the one that is not valid. Sorry, let's run the code. Let's run the code. I'm going to run. Okay, here's the result. It says the first one is valid, like it's true, and the second one is false, because the first one follows the rules of the regular expression. Why the second one is not following the rule? Because before this at symbol, we're having a dash in between this text and another text, which is not applicable. It's not what this rule says. So because we are having a dash here in between these two letters before the at symbol, it's not going to work. It's going to throw an error if we are using it in actual program. At the end of the class, please give me a thumbs up and share this video.